says your lash line, but I don't know where that is.
He needs some milk.
I got Corona, said she don't got him, and Shorty said she alone. I would've gave him all her, but I ain't a donor. When I seen her the first time, I said I want her. You a bad chick, and she staying Fashion Nova, and she bad.
What's up, y'all? It's Naya, back with another fire video. If you're new, I'm Naya Gray. If you're a returning subscriber, what's poppin'? Same shirt as the last video. Don't act like you don't know why, like we're both grown here. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I apply lashes. So the last video was eyebrows, this video is lashes. I'm only doing these two things because that's all I do to my face. So the lashes that I'm going to be using for this video are from Blinky Snobs. And it's a black owned business, period. But yeah, I'm going to show you what it look like. So they're kind of dramatic. I always forget to put my hair up, put the hair up. If you guys like my brows, how it's looking, I'm going to link in the cards. I don't know which side it's gonna be on, but I'm gonna link my tutorial on that if you guys want to go check that out for your girl. So it's optional. You can start off by curling your what are these called, your
Oh my God! Wow!
your own lashes, but I'm gonna just curl it for the sake of this video. Why not? I don't know, bro. Let's just start with the whole eyelash application. When you first get your lashes, it might not fit your eye. If it does not fit your eye, what you're gonna do is slightly place it on your lash just to see if it's like too long or where you would need to cut it out. So we have the lash, right? Some people use hair glue. I ain't with hair glue, bro. I'm not with it. Just use some regular eyelash glue. Duo is good. I use the Duo, the brush on adhesive. It keeps my lashes on for the day. That's all I need. So I take the eyelash glue. I put it on the lash line of the lash. I just put it on like that. Just make sure it's all on there. And then we are gonna let this dry 30 seconds to a minute. I usually go around there. Oh, disclaimer, this is not no 1, 2, 3 process. The first time you put on lashes, you're not gonna get it. It'll be a miracle if you get it.
It's gonna take a miracle from God.
And it took me a while to put on good lashes. I'm gonna insert a video of the first time I attempted to put on lashes. It was horrific.
Flashback.
Oh, how? I can't do it. I can't see. Where are you supposed to apply it? It says your lash line, but I don't know where that is.
He needs some milk.
I give up. I'm about to start screaming. I don't know, bro.
What is that?
What is happening? I don't.
End of flashback.
So yeah, the first time I put on lashes was not the best. You want to get the applicator as close to the middle as possible. It'll make it easier. You need to have a mirror, like a handheld mirror or something, looking down. Basically want to get it as close to the lash line as possible. I'm just gonna do it again, cause no. Just wipe your eye off. So if you see a little white stuff, that's some glue. Get off me. Cause I'm cute in the face, thick in the waist. I've been waist training. OD. I know my ex is mad. All them mad. All of them watch my videos. They don't. None of them watch my videos, bro. They could care less. Let me recite some Nicki lyrics. Yo, should I do a video like about Nicki? So in the middle, I look down, put it in the middle of my lash. So once you applied it, you just want to go ahead and fix it. Use your eyelash applicator to clamp down on your lash line. And you can also use your fingers. I like to use my fingers too because it just makes it even more clumped together and natural. Press it closer to your lash line. Just push it in. And boom. Got a lash done. Okay, so now we're going to do the other eye. Shout out to my friends that are so supportive. I don't know, I be needing reassurance with everything I do. Not with everything I do, but like certain things. My friends are so supportive about my YouTube channel and giving me ideas and everything. Very grateful for the friends, the little friends that I do have. I'm grateful for them. Aww. Honestly, I don't have friends like that because I don't like people, like I said. If you watch my Q&A, #introvert. I'm so tired. Now let me rock. The middle of my eye, just gonna place it. Some people put mascara after this part to really blend in your natural lash with the falsie. I don't do that because I don't care. I just don't feel like doing all of that. So then we're left with this. Again, this is by Blinky Snobs. I even love her packaging. Like, she puts the lashes in this cute box. Every time I buy lashes from her, she throws in a free pair of lashes. Like, who does that? Wow. She even puts in candy in it. She puts in Nerds. Got my approval. The hair's looking crazy. Look at my head shape. I said, wow. So yeah, I'm done. Like I said, these are the lashes, very cute. But if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Stay tuned for more content weekly.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, I'm gonna see you on my next video. I'm out.